Snackables. Everyone eats snackables. Do you want some snackables? Do you want some snackables?
No.
I'll have 2 of the snackables. Okay. What's up, everybody? You don't know your boy Razorblade and
Tonight.
Your name today?
Huh?
Oh, your name today?
Oh, your girl Iya.
And tonight we're gonna do a video that she suggested. Do you want to tell them about the video that you suggested?
No.
Okay.
Alright, go ahead.
No, take it
No,
over.
you know
Take it over. I'm just here for the food. She have a video where she want to highlight Ovaltine Jamaican snacks. So she went and bought some snacks. And we're about to have those snacks to see if we can revamp and reminisce. You want to start with one of your choice, babe?
But mukbang style.
Yeah, mukbang style. We're gonna have to eat them. So if you see a snack and remember it, you can like comment below. Tell me which one we leave out or which one you used to like when you're young and all of that. Let's go. So the first one is shut your baby man, take up it. Put your hand in this thing. Yeah. Take up. The first one is Tiggas.
Yeah! I love Tiggas.
So for those who know Tiggas or don't know, see it here. Is it Tiggas? You pull it out, so you want to test it first.
But no, people supposed to love.
This video is gonna be as long as possible because we want to highlight all of it. What Tiggas remind you of? No, you must want Chinese man to because it's a steel.
No, it's steel.
No.
But it's nice.
It's not
I'm
but it's steel.
hungry.
Hungry man. We don't eat nothing because we say we do this video.
Alright, babe. Say Tiggas.
We have a couple Tiggas and more.
Babe, look how much other stuff.
Tiggas nice. Alright,
Now shuffle them. I'm ready.
Pirate this. Oh shit. No!
Yeah,
I hate that.
Cheese balls. Who remember cheese balls?
Why me not have that? Man, I have nothing with balls, my G. I'd rather die for hungry.
So I got eat the cheese curls.
Be you eat the curls, me not eat no balls. Hungry, I slap me.
Oh, who remember cheese balls? Tell them look here. Balls. Well, one ball.
Wipe on your balls, my G.
Eat 2 balls. No. 2 balls. Several balls.
You want but you can't make chemistry.
No.
You want but you can't make chemistry like that.
You
Man, I
can
eat
eat
no balls.
several balls.
Go and eat your balls then. Alright, enough of that though, man.
Remember, me used to carry these to school, but the smaller one.
You know, tell me the story. You know the story like you go shop because you love to see a little boyfriend. And you used to tell him and say, go buy it. Then you know you used to do anything there.
My boyfriend get working our shop.
Yeah, you just shop, man. You want man, you can sweet up and take on your
Alright, I go back to this later.
Alright, wrap up that now, man. Man just choose sit there, man. Yo, that girl there wicked. My girl Leo teach the Bigfoot. Alright, this
my
Bigfoot.
favorite snack, this.
I don't feel like this did existent when me smaller.
No.
So this is not really a long time one. Pepper Bigfoot, we eat this all the while.
I love Peppa Bigfoot. So what it look like here now? I don't know if you wrap a chain.
In order for this video to go properly, I have to be the one to consume it.
And you have this one.
I have the original
You
one.
have the original.
The original one and the pepper one. The peppered one. So in order for this video to go nice, I have to eat some of the pepper one.
Which one you like more?
The pepper one.
I like the pepper more.
You know?
But I could just a long time I not eat this. I always buy the pepper. Good.
What is remaining now?
Alright, time we exchange. Babe, you know some my thing.
Remind me of Chinese food. Spicy.
You see,
Pepper Bigfoot normally have a little foot them. That's the thing about Bigfoot people, them have foot.
But they're not big. Come babe. Exchange.
Okay. Done, exchange back. Ovaltine! Ovaltine!
Because I love it, I choose it.
Yo, I love that biscuit here from small. This was one of the biscuits my mother used to always give me go prep school. People, do you know Ovaltine?
Everybody's supposed to know Ovaltine.
Ovaltine, nice. Ovaltine remind me of supplicant. You know,
I like the tea.
You see, I like it.
I like the powder to make the tea.
Oh yeah, Ovaltine powder nice too. Yeah, people, Ovaltine actually make tea. You know.
Yeah, just one though. Let me taste it. I can't tell when last we eat one of these. So.
I need to buy some of them. Ovaltine, oh God. Back to my baby days. I feel like I'm going to sleep. Ovaltine.
I don't like it. Let me tell which brand. I won't make it.
Smile.
Ovaltine.
No, you can't send back that one you're going to put up.
Babe, I'm going to pull up a stomach.
That's not too much. Alright.
Alright, rest it now.
Alright, I'll put this in now.
With water.
Yeah, open it for you, you know like.
Oh.
She a try with me. Like your eye.
It's closed, babe.
When you catch that one, you put to go take. Yo, my girl, the thief. No, come here, man.
Ready?
Put it up on. Why you can't have all the whole of that? I mean, eat that bag.
Me used to eat them here when. Wait, name? Potato sticks. Who remember these? The sticks.
Potato stick. Why bad man and yam stick? You used to eat when you go there, you used to I eat this at lunchtime like a hot sitting. Like it's nice. A foolish.
It just enough full your belly. Not like me, I look something for my belly, but
You kind of salt. And some belly feel uneasy.
it's salty.
Come on.
See, look here.
So my belly feel uneasy. Alright, so you look like some little fry. You look like some little fries.
Sticks.
Okay. You got some sticks.
You don't want no more. Wait, that's okay.
Want some more? Alright.
Alright. Just to close the eyes. Alright, go ahead.
Cheers!
No!
Freak are you? Yeah, man.
You don't have to actually do at last because we don't want them roll out.
No.
Babe, just do them.
Me choose, babe.
Alright, eat it.
Me not eat half all that, babe, but me
Babe,
choose.
because me don't want to mix it with, me don't want to eat chocolate before me eat all of those chips.
Alright, me alone eat it then.
Eat it.
Let me eat two of that.
Eat it.
Cause she mask it off over there, side
Because
of
me take
it.
it out.
Babe, you mask it off. Alright,
Babe,
you could
eat
mask it
it.
beside my
Eat
foot.
it now.
So we have cheers, something like ping pong, something like M&M's. Then we like a ping pongish, long dish sitting there.
Say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
In honor of the cheers gods. Oh my god, this cheers is gonna be so wonderful. If your belly can manage it, mine can manage it. So cheers are like some little stuff like this basically. And the camera now focus and I can't move it. So cheers are some small things like this. You know, some little. You should have some.
I don't want any. I don't eat like that.
True.
Yay!
You know why because you pick that? I will never eat none of that. This is me eating one time at primary school and I say, this is bad, I keep up this
The
over.
wrap on them chicken and chips. Who remember chicken and chips? What my fan want chicken? Cause them you want a chicken in there.
Let me see, come here.
Ah, got a chicken.
Ratchet. You whole time I never understand that you know.
I want chicken leg. See there.
Carlos, me know when I watch a video but when you used to see girl them go and so on their primary over this, me not see it.
I love this. This is one of my favorite too.
You don't like that, can you don't want that?
You eat weird. They eat the chocolate, then you gotta eat cheese.
Let me think they don't hurt my belly.
I love this.
Anybody way in the comments, we are comment this right now. Comment
want
if you can't
fried
tell you.
I did not taste no different.
Anytime you watch food videos, you're always hungry. Hashtag in the comments, hungry.
Hear how this sound. Wait. Here it is.
It's like a craving snacker, you know.
Alright, I'm gonna put it up, but I'm gonna eat this later.
When I eat everything later.
Yeah. Fry.
Yeah, so, yeah.
Cheese curls.
Alright.
In a taste, it to me it's
Alright,
different.
Cheese curls, people.
It's upside. Oh.
They must eat the right way. Cheese chips, basically.
It tastes really, it tastes different from the one of the cheese balls.
But I mean, cheese chips, cheese chips are a little feel.
I love them stuff.
When you eat finger snacks, one thing you have to do.
Make sure you comment below and tell one your favorite.
Ah, long time when you take up that.
Oh man, chocolate.
Chocolate cake! Like,
Yeah,
what you call it? Muffins?
Cupcake, baby.
Cupcake? You know the same thing? Muffins.
I'm rather plain than chocolate. Anything that is plain.
You wanna have half of mine?
I wanna bite it.
You wanna bite it?
Yeah.
Okay, bite it.
That too little. Peel it up.
Babe, you know.
Babe, peel it.
Okay, dog.
Peel it.
You look at your little mouth. Oh, so you want everything one time? Big up yourself. Oh, my catty. Oh, big like a tire. How it tastes? Chocolatey.
This is so good. A long time I didn't eat one of that. It is good. I can get more. Give me a piece of that.
You want a piece of my half?
Yeah.
Take out it. They could get the piece of...
Okay.
Choose. Yes! Yes!
My girl is full of the thing of BHG.
Fancy.
Funsies
Those
are...
are the snack.
This, I remember this as a younger
And the
kid.
wrapper change. It never have that wrapper thingy. That
Probably in a few years time because I'm much older. I don't know this.
You're not much older than me.
Girl, you're about 5.
I am much too.
So funny. Cheese chips. She loves snacks now, so I feel her thing them.
See, F is for friends who do stuff together.
Okay.
Secret. I prefer these over food any day, anytime.
Boy.
So get for them done this about.
No, come on, you stretch. So she chose, I didn't know she could choose this because I probably never like cheese sticks. This is one of her favorites.
Yeah.
Cheese sticks. Cheese sticks, baby. Get them.
I have cheesy. Cheese
Let me
sticks.
tell you if you see that yet.
I remember how cheese sticks look. Just look like cheesies, but only thing I like these more than cheesies. Weird, but yeah.
I rather not have any.
Okay.
That always scratch my mouth.
Scratch?
Yeah, cheesy scratch my mouth a lot.
How was I know that?
I don't know because
We're
probably.
gonna save the best for last.
Shirley!
It's Shirley biscuits.
Yay!
It's like, well, what this? This is how it looks.
Oh, this is how it looks. Shirley, is it? Shirley in a shine plastic.
We ate the coconut earlier this morning. Come on, it's Shirley. It's Shirley.
I don't give up. I don't give up.
I don't really like biscuits.
I don't give up. Shirley. No. Listen to this.
That no make the sound. I love hear it. Like, do it.
Is this satisfying? One bag of cheese chips for what?
Cheese curls.
Cheese curls and the blue bag.
Who remember cheese curls?
What them one? Cheese
Me
curls.
used to the smaller
Yeah.
one. The bag with the half this. But I'm not gonna have much. Just do it. Go ahead.
Me nah name none of this.
Oh, remember, this is the best thing ever.
It's like
this
ugly,
is my
taste
childhood.
baddest cheese chips me ever eat. It make
It's
me want.
baddest.
It make me want to throw up every time I see it.
I love it.
Red cheese chips.
I love everything.
This is so
Who
silly.
remember red cheese strips?
Let it rip, babe. Come down on her. Feel like I sleep naked tonight. God knows. Free guy you?
Oh, this is how it looks. When I dip it, I only dip one.
You have to grab something in the depot.
Yes.
Baby, I just don't get it. Woo! A parrot biscuit.
It's not the coconut flavor.
You know this is the taste like coconut, same thing.
That's not the same.
Live your life. Coconut biscuit! Woo! You know what I mean?
No.
She don't like it. Who remembers butter cookies?
Parrot biscuit.
The butter cookies.
AKA parrot
AKA parrot biscuit.
Woo! I don't want any.
So fresh and so fresh and so fresh. Pick up something.
Red hot. Red.
I haven't seen this in years.
It never used to come. It never. Them change the wrapper. The bag.
And who remember Red Hat? Me not see this in years. With the older folks, Red Hat.
I ate one some time ago.
Want it to get some water.
Smells so good. Oh.
Oh no!
No.
Cheezies! This is the only one I've passed. Cheezies.
May I pass it too?
They put it in a totally different bag now. This look like Chinese they make over this. Cheezies! I hate cheezies. It scratch my gums. I don't know what's in it that causes that. But I don't want to have an allergic reaction right now, so.
I have DPH. But
You
I'm
don't need
passing
the
this
DPH
one
list.
too. But here them it look like this now.
Cheezies bag.
We read the burger on the bag.
So like on pass, we can choose again.
Yes.
Alright.
Only biscuit what I love. Only biscuit I love.
And now I have chicky. Remember me used to tell my sister say when you have boyfriend, you have to know two things. How to can and to be cheeky.
Boy, if you don't get
Oh my
This
god.
is not more funny, it's just something used to tell my sister.
Oh God.
We found it funny.
Whew.
Anyway, me wanna eat my chicky then.
No, you're mad?
Mm-hmm.
Come.
Put it over here, sir. Sit down. Alright, sit down.
Put it up.
She got to cry because she love all the good things them. She easy for ball.
I love this. Yeah, look here. Babe, focus that. Can you focus on me?
So you shuffle and take out the whole thing. Banana.
Say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Banana chips.
The banana chips. I say look from a little.
The first bag kind of did different. Now we can actually see in the bag. First time you could see in the bag.
Oh yeah.
So you see, me remember my stuff.
Yeah,
First time you could see in the bag. You have a little peephole now. So this is St. Mary's banana chips, best banana chips on the planet.
Come on, send that
A banana chip those?
Yeah. The brand. I love
Literal,
banana
you can see the banana. You can see the banana in the chips. Banana in the chips. Rough cookie top. Coconut. Rough top.
Remember the coconut than the
Rough top.
original.
Rough top was once one of my favorite biscuits. I probably still is, but I does not eat it as often. Rough top, bro.
Duplex.
Let me be the first to say.
The bag changed.
The bag changed totally. This wasn't the first duplex bag.
Yeah, it's not really hot now.
Duplex never have purple. It had blue.
Let me see how we make it. Babe, what is that right there?
What the bug? Oh! Yo!
Oh,
And the cupcake bag. Me think I'm fragging you.
let me see how we make it. Let me see how which
Oh man, me shocked. Hey.
homemade. I never really eat nothing from homemade. I wouldn't take it up.
Duplex have the two side thing. Them even put it good in the bag.
Them not do it good again.
The last two are snackables and club social. Which one you want to try first, babe? Check me always. Let me tell you, when you eat food and you like certain food, you eat the one you like first. I don't really like club social.
I don't either.
I never like club social.
I mean,
Then change the bag again. But I'm not a club social fan. Club social is just a on-the-go biscuit where you can just eat when you don't have nothing else to eat.
yeah, or if they're not even hungry to eat it, it's probably like banana chips. I mean, I'll eat it in a but and then something with me that go.
Yo, my finger them can't bust a bag.
You're not supposed to do it like that.
Easy. Wow. Wow.
I don't want any alcohol from that one.
Cup
It's
social.
good though.
Yeah, some people can manage it. Snackables! Everyone eats snackables.
You eat
Do
it?
you want some snackables? Do you want some snackables?
I don't want no.
I'll have two of the snackables.
Baby, if I only want two, don't want me.
You have to open me because the people them need to see.
So why you never open
The cheese is because I told you it scratches my gum. Snackables. Snackables would have like, you know, spicy and all of that.
Dust.
Yeah, cheese
not
dust.
spicy?
So I'm gonna try it.
How much was that? Give me that.
And I think we're finished. But I really want to show them how they look on the bed. They just look enough on the bed. I'm going to show them. Watch your foot, babe.
So that's everything.
That's all of the snacks. From banana chips to club social to Cheezy's, Bigfoot, Cheers.
We have along with the chairs we have ping pong, but I don't think it was to open it now.
Yeah.
Where is it? Ping pong. Who remember ping pong?
Yeah.
Remember that than Cheers. It tastes way better than Cheers.
So
that was it.
on that note, babe, what happened?
I'm eating the ball.
Oh,